What's the meaning of customer? Customer. Customer.
Customer. Customer. A customer is an individual or organization that purchases goods or services from a seller for their own use or consumption. Customers are essential to the success of any business, as they provide revenue and feedback that can help improve products or services. To attract and retain customers, businesses must offer quality products at competitive prices, provide excellent customer service, and establish relationships based on trust and loyalty. Understanding and meeting the needs of customers is crucial to building a successful business and achieving long-term growth.